Hello everybody. Just came out from the hot sauna. Taking a couple of grows, but not so much. Gonna use this. It says hembränt in Swedish, and if you translate it, it's homebrewed moonshine. I like it very much. I'm gonna use this Schweppes lime to get a nice grog, like that. Cheers. Really nice, but that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. I'm gonna do shave that I think 2 days ago or something like that. Gonna use my Gillette Super Speed with VOSKHOD blade. I think it's third use, something like that. Works fine for my. It works fine for me at least. Gonna use ICEMAN Citrus Freeze, and the aftershave, of course, is ICEMAN Citrus Freeze. And always I'm showing you this thing. It's clear right now, and you got some oily things up there, but I'm not gonna shake it yet. I'm gonna do it when it's time to do the aftershave part and the aftershave portion, no, something like that, you know. Sorry if I'm mumbling too much, but I'm just dipping the brush in the bowl. And just have a not damp brush, it's actually a little bit moist, and just loading the brush in the tub. I like this citrus scented soap. It's mentholated. Just gonna add a little bit more water. I just dip it in the water, have it in a cup, and you can see it gets a little bit more soapier or something like that. Yeah, I like this citrus lemon fresh citrus freeze mentholated soap from Uncle John, sorry. It's a really nice soap, nice scent. It's mentholated, so it's cold. And yeah, I have took a couple of grogs today. I have taken hot sauna, but I'm not so drunk, so that's no problem. Because tomorrow I'm gonna have a day full of diving. As you know, I'm helping a friend of mine with diving education and so on. And a couple of weeks ago I was helping him a weekend. And now it's time again. Tomorrow we're gonna do some more exercises, some more skills, and it's a mock-up class. He had only one new diver, so I help him as much as I can. And tomorrow and on Sunday it's all diving. We're gonna dive the same place as we did last time. It's a quarry here in South Sweden, Örkelljunga stenbrott. And I can tell you, it's going to be freezing cold. That's the reason why I thought I could maybe use this soap today, because it's mentholated, it's cold. But I can tell you that today we had actually -2 degrees Celsius, and if you can imagine that cold, I'm gonna take a dive tomorrow. Gonna emerge to the water. I think the water temperature will be something around 4 degrees Celsius, and if you lie in the water for about 1 hour, I can tell you it's cold. It's cold as hell. I'm not so fond of these cold dives, but sometimes you have to help someone, in this case my friend, and just do what you have to do. I hate this because it's so freaking cold. I know I'm gonna freeze tomorrow, but I was thinking when I come home tomorrow, when I'm coming home tomorrow, I'm gonna take a new hot sauna, so I can get warm again. Because if you stay in water, that is, of course, I got dry suit and everything, so the cold is not a big issue if you only do a dive that is 30 minutes. But if you do a dive that is up to 1 hour, it's going to be really cold. And I know tomorrow I'm gonna do 2 dives that is about 1 hour length. First one dive, go up, eat something. I'm gonna take some soup, hot soup, and eat. When that's done, I'm gonna do a new dive for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna be so fucking freaking cold. I know, it's gonna be really cold. I don't know what the temperature is, but it doesn't matter. If it's 0 degrees in the air and the temperature is about, let's say, 4 degrees in the water, you have no chance to get warm. You're only cold, 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 and cold, and that's very annoying. It's another thing when you dive in a quarries here in Sweden, in south of Sweden, where I live. If you dive in a quarry, that's 30 meters. You maybe get 18, 19, up to 20 degrees of temperature Celsius in the top of the water. And if you immerse the water and dive to 10 meters, it's maybe 10, 15, 15 grades of temperature in Celsius. If you dive deeper, 15 or 20 meters, you start to get 5-7 degrees. But if you go lower than 20 meters, you got 4 degrees, and it's not getting colder. So there is no problem if you do a dive to 30 meters, you get cold as 4 degrees. Yes, that's cold, of course. But when you going up to the water columns and you go to lower stages, you're going to get warmer. Get 10 degrees, you get 15 degrees, and up to 18 and 20 degrees, and then you're warm. But the thing I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to water that is it's about 4 Celsius degree, and when I go up, it's always 4 degrees. And the temperature in the air is 0 or -1. It's cold. There is no chance in hell for me to get warm. Just gonna rinse. So if I rinse in cold water right now and think it's cold, yeah, it feels cold. I can promise you, tomorrow it's going to be even colder. Cheers. Now I'm taking this out of the shade. You can see it's you can see through it, it's clear. But if you shake it, you see these oily things right here. It's like milk. That's magic. No, I don't know what's happened, but it's something about the ingredients in this splash. And this splash is, in my opinion, really nice. It's mentholated, so it's give you real nice cold sensation. Sorry, cold sensation in the skin, and makes your eyes tears a little bit, but it's really nice. It's nice scent. So these, if I can get hand of these two, really nice. Not the perfect match in scent of citrus, but really nice. I'll dig it really much. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you are gonna have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna dive, and on Sunday I'm gonna dive, so I'm gonna be cold and wet, and I'm gonna probably be very tired on Sunday evening. So everybody, have a great weekend, and we shall see you next time, wherever it is. Bye bye.